Hello guys, welcome to Cake Carney. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy strawberry cake. It's soft, moist, and packed with fresh strawberry flavors. Now let's get started. Step 1, you're going to mix the dry ingredients. In a clean bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix everything together until well combined, then set aside. Step 2. Prepare the wet ingredients. In another clean bowl, crack 2 eggs, add 1 cup sugar, beat for about 4 to 5 minutes until smooth and slightly fluffy. Now add 1 cup of sour cream, half cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until fully combined and smooth. Step 3. Combine wet and dry. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture in batches. Mix gently until smooth. Add half cup room temperature milk. Mix until fully combined. Set the batter aside. So let's go over to step 4. Prepare the strawberries. Wash and clean 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. Divide them into 2 portions. 1 pound for slicing and the other pound for the strawberry sauce. Slice 1 pound of strawberry. So if you're new here, please subscribe to Cake County and become an official resident. Everyone is welcome in this county. Don't forget to like and leave a comment below and set aside. Then for the sauce, you're going to add the remaining strawberries to a food processor. Then to the strawberries, you're going to add half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, blend until smooth. Pour into a bottle or bowl and then set aside. Step 5. Assemble the cake. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray your baking pan with avocado oil spray. Pour half of the batter into the pan. Layer sliced strawberries on top. Drizzle some strawberry sauce. Pour remaining batter over the strawberries. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inside it comes out clean. So about 20 to 25 minutes into the baking, carefully remove the cake and add extra sliced strawberries on top. Then return to the oven to finish baking. Step 6. Cool and serve. Remove from oven and allow to cool for about 10 minutes. Slice and serve. And there you have it, a soft, fragrant strawberry filled cake packed with bold strawberry flavor. Go ahead and cut yourself a big slice. You earned it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.